To my brand new video. You are watching Podcast Tech. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix your PUBG login error, that network error login field. Please check your network settings. So you have to click on the OK and simply you have to go back to your main screen. After that you have to open this cell phone settings and you have to scroll down and search for the apps. Here we go, apps. You have to search for the PUBG here. Here we go. Open the PUBG Mobile and you have to scroll down and open the storage of it. After that you have to clear the cache. After clearing the cache of the PUBG Mobile, you have to open your Play Store or App Store. Then you have to search for again PUBG and you have to check that your PUBG is updated or not. Update your PUBG Mobile. And the third and the main point is that you have to check your Wi-Fi is properly providing your internet, and if it's not providing you properly internet, then simply you have to turn to your mobile data and you have to check that your PUBG is logged or not, or is it properly working or not. If it's working for you, then simply you have to subscribe my channel and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.